Let's begin by opening the plugin menu and clicking Add New Plugin. In the search bar, go ahead and type in WooCommerce. Once it appears, click Install Now and then Activate. Perfect! You can now see WooCommerce is successfully installed and activated. Now, let's create a product. Go to the product section and click Add New. Start by entering your product name here. On the right-hand side, under Product Image, click to set a product image. Choose an image you'd like as the main product photo. Next, in the product gallery, click to add gallery images. Select all the images related to this product and add them in. Once you've filled in the rest of the product details like description and price, simply click Publish. After publishing, you can click Preview to see how it looks on your site. And if you ever need to revisit it, just head to the products list and click on the product to view or edit. You can also try zooming in on the main image to take a closer look. Feel free to switch between gallery images and try zooming or dragging to explore the details.